This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. In this video, I'll show you 10 machines that create everyday products people constantly use and run out of. These aren't trends, they're essentials. And the opportunity? It's all about rotation and repeat customers. Machine number 1. Microfiber cloth cutting and packing machine. This machine takes rolls of microfiber fabric and automatically cuts them into cloths of various sizes. Some models also fold, stack, and seal them in plastic sleeves, making them retail-ready in one go. The demand is enormous. Every cleaner, auto detailer, tech store, or eyewear shop needs microfiber, and people at home use them constantly for windows, phones, lenses, and more. You can start with a basic cutting-only unit for around $1,500 to $2,000. Add folding and packaging automation for $3,000 to $7,000 total setup. From one roll of material, you can cut hundreds of cloths, all lightweight, stackable, and cheap to ship. Unit cost, approximately 15 cents to 25 cents. Sell price, $1 to $3 each, or more in branded sets or bulk packs. Machine number 2, USB charging cable assembly machine. This machine lets you produce your own charging cables, USB-A, USB-C, Lightning, by assembling the wire, connector heads, and insulation. It crimps, solders, seals, and even tests the cables in one automated process, depending on the model. And here's the thing, everyone needs these. People buy backup chargers for the office, car, school, travel, and replacements when they fray or break. With one of these machines, you can make hundreds of cables per day. Import cost. Basic machines start around $1,000. Full automation models run $2,500 to $4,000, but save time and labor. Raw materials, wire spools, connector heads, heat shrink tubing, all available cheap in bulk. Unit cost, approximately 50 cents to $1. Resale price, $5 to $15 depending on length, quality, and packaging. Machine number 3, toothbrush manufacturing machine. This machine creates complete manual toothbrushes from scratch. It inserts the bristles, trims and shapes them, and finishes the handle, either plastic or bamboo, depending on your setup. And here's what makes it powerful. Toothbrushes have built-in repeat demand. People are told to replace them every 3 months. That's 4 brushes a year per person. Multiply that by households, schools, hotels, and clinics, and you've got a recurring gold mine. You can import a semi-automatic unit from China for around $3,000 to $6,000. Fully automatic machines start closer to $10,000, but they increase output dramatically. Even with a small setup, you can make hundreds of brushes per day. Sell them individually in 4-packs, or as part of subscription boxes. You can target dental clinics, pharmacies, eco-stores with bamboo options, or white label for private brands on Amazon or Etsy. Add in custom designs for kids or travel, and you've got an entire product line. Cost per unit, just cents. Resale value, $1 to $4 per brush, depending on your market. This machine turns small material input into a product people constantly need, with clean branding and great margins. If you want a business that works on habit and hygiene, this is a smart place to start. Machine number 4, lip balm and cream filling machine. This tabletop unit is designed to melt and fill tubes, tins, or small jars with products like lip balm, solid perfume, healing salves, body butters, and even natural deodorants. It's ideal for beauty startups, DIY creators, and people who want to create personalized, high-margin products from home without needing a full lab or industrial setup. Here's how it works. You melt your ingredients, usually a mix of beeswax, shea butter, coconut oil, and essential oils, then pour or pump the formula into containers using the heated filling machine. Once it cools, it solidifies and it's ready for labeling and packaging. The machine itself costs between $300 and $1,000 depending on automation and size. Some models can fill 1 tube at a time, others can do 30 at once. Profit potential. Cost per unit, under 50 cents. Sell price, $3 to $15, depending on your niche and packaging. You can sell on Etsy, your own website, in boutiques or pop-up markets, or even offer private label for influencers or spas. This machine lets you turn simple ingredients into a product people carry in their pocket every day, with endless branding options and near-zero waste. If you've ever wanted to launch your own product line, this might be the easiest way to start. Machine number 5. Notebook Printing and Binding Machine. This machine allows you to produce customized notebooks, from lined or grid journals to sketchbooks, planners, and even branded marketing books. It covers the full process: printing the pages, cutting to size, binding with coil or glue, and finishing with soft or hard covers. Some models even laminate or emboss the front cover, giving you full control over the final product. Here's why it works. Notebooks get used and replaced constantly. And in a world full of digital screens, people still love physical writing tools, especially when they're beautiful, purposeful, or gift-worthy. You can start with a modular setup, printer plus cutter plus coil binder, for under $2,000, or go all in with a multifunction binding line for $5,000 to $8,000. Cost per notebook: $1 to $2, depending on page count and paper quality. Sell price: $8 to $25 or more if you bundle with pens or sell to specialty audiences. Where to sell: Etsy, Shopify, Amazon Handmade, local schools or offices, events, gift shops, or pop-up markets. You can also license designs to influencers, artists, or teachers. Machine number 6. Liquid Soap Packaging Machine. This system is designed to fill bottles or pouches with viscous liquids like hand soap, shampoo, conditioner, dishwashing gel, or even sanitizing liquids. Depending on the model, it can also cap the bottles and apply labels, giving you a ready-to-sell product in one smooth process. There are 2 ways to use it. Make your own soap from raw materials, great for natural or custom formulas. Or buy bulk soap and focus only on branding and packaging. Both work. Both sell. You can get a reliable semi-automatic model for $1,000 to $2,500. Fully automated lines with conveyors, multiple nozzles, and labeling systems cost $5,000 to $10,000. Once up and running, you can fill hundreds of bottles per day. Cost per filled bottle: approximately 30 cents to $1. Retail price: $3 to $10 depending on size, ingredients, and packaging. Where to sell: local hotels and restaurants, schools and offices, organic markets, pharmacies, or direct-to-consumer via your own brand or website. So, you've discovered a business you're passionate about, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question. Should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. And here's the biggest time saver of all. Hire a professional formation company like Bizee, formerly Incfile. They'll handle everything: LLC filing, EIN, operating agreement, so you can focus on building your business instead of chasing paperwork. Bizee is one of the best entity formation platforms in the market, charging $0 for their service, which no other company offers. When filing your LLC with a professional formation service like Bizee, you can request expedited processing for an extra fee. That means instead of waiting days or even weeks, you can get your approval within 24 hours. Machine number 7. Paper Towel Making Machine. This machine takes jumbo rolls of raw paper and converts them into paper towels. It cuts them to size, folds or rolls them, embosses patterns, and even perforates them, all automatically. With the right setup, it can also package them in plastic or shrink wrap, ready for retail. Why is this a great opportunity? Because paper towels are single-use. Restaurants, cafes, homes, clinics, schools, they all go through rolls fast and they always need more. You can start with a semi-automatic machine for around $3,000 to $6,000. Fully automatic production lines cost $10,000 to $25,000 but deliver massive daily output. Unit cost per roll: approximately 30 cents to 60 cents. Selling price: $1 to $3 per roll, depending on packaging and branding. Where to sell: local restaurants, catering services, supermarkets, cleaning supply stores, hotels and gyms, or direct-to-consumer with a sustainable or bulk offer. Machine number 8. Socks knitting machine. That's the power of the socks knitting machine. This machine creates full pairs of socks from yarn, shaping everything from toe to cuff in just minutes. Some models can even knit in logos, names, or unique patterns during the process. Socks are one of the most purchased, most replaced items in clothing. They get worn out, lost in the laundry, or tossed when they fade. That means people buy them again and again. The business case is strong. A basic circular knitting machine costs around $1,500 to $3,000. More advanced versions with auto toe sewing, size adjustments, or digital design input range from $5,000 to $10,000. After knitting, socks are steamed, shaped, and packaged, a process you can do from home or with small-scale tools. Cost per pair: approximately 50 cents to $1. Selling price: $5 to $20 per pair depending on branding and target market. Machine number 9. Plastic lid injection molding machine. This machine heats plastic pellets and injects them into custom molds under high pressure, creating durable, precisely shaped plastic lids. From yogurt containers to coffee cups to cosmetic jars, plastic lids are everywhere. It's not glamorous, but it's deeply profitable.
Why?
Because these lids get used by the billions, and they're always in demand. Food companies, restaurants, skincare brands, supplement shops, they all need consistent supply. You can import a small injection molding unit for $2,500 to $5,000 depending on automation and mold capacity. You'll also need molds, which can be custom-made to your client's size or industry. Once set up, the machine can make hundreds to thousands of lids per day. Unit cost: just a few cents. Wholesale price: 10 cents to 50 cents per lid. You can sell to local packaging suppliers, food vendors, cosmetics brands, meal prep businesses, even other small-scale manufacturers. And here's the kicker: if you offer custom logo embossing, you instantly and position yourself as a premium supplier. This machine is about volume and stability. It may not go viral, but it builds real long-term cash flow. Sometimes small parts build the biggest businesses. Machine number 10. Baby diaper production machine. Every second, thousands of diapers are being used and thrown away by families around the world. It's a massive market driven by constant demand and short product lifespan. This machine gives you a way to enter that market with full control. It takes layers of raw material, non-woven fabric, super absorbent core, elastic and adhesive, and assembles them into complete, ready-to-use baby diapers. It handles cutting, layering, shaping, sealing, and even applies elastic leg bands and Velcro tabs. Some machines even include automatic stacking and packaging systems. Startup cost: compact small output machine, $25,000 to $50,000. Larger scale production lines, $100,000 plus, but produce thousands of diapers per hour. Unit cost per diaper: 8 cents to 20 cents. Sell price: 30 cents to 60 cents or more for eco or organic versions. Where to sell: direct-to-consumer via e-commerce or marketplaces, wholesale to baby stores, pharmacies, hospitals, maternity clinics, and government programs, or private label for influencers and micro-brands. And because this is a product people use daily, it creates strong repeat purchase behavior. Build trust, keep quality high, and even a small operation can become a brand. If you want to produce something that will never stop selling, this machine might be your biggest opportunity yet. Thank you for joining me on this adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and entrepreneurial insights. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep hustling, and keep building the life you've always imagined. See you soon.